welcome to another episode of Model Car Memories. I'm going to do an unboxing today. It's a little chilly up here in the attic, so I'm not going to mess with any cleaning or glue. So I picked out this 1966 Ford Thunderbird hardtop town landau kit. So you see it's sort of a customization there on it. So it comes with, see, vinyl textured hardtop, custom taillights, custom hood, complete V8 engine, Raider 500 wheels or baby moons, customized by George Barris. And there's another view of it. And we got an advertisement for AMT custom spray lacquers. Okay, so let's open this up here. I've already peeked inside, but this was, get this off here. This one's one my stepdad has partially put together. All right, this is kind of in rough shape here. Ooh. All right, so we got the main body here. Let's try to do something here. There's some body filler on it here and there. It's got the glass kind of glued in. There's a lot of old glue on this. He did put the custom grill in there. And there's some more body filler that isn't complete. The interior is complete. Look at that. I think that looks really good for being as old as it is. All right, and then there's the main chassis. It's got 4 wheels on there, no tires, 4 wheels on there. Set that up there. All right, there's the custom top. So we go on there like that. Looks like it might have been on there before. Yeah, there's some evidence of glue. That's where the glue came from. So that was there before. There's the original grill for it. There's a tree with nothing on it. Looks like a custom rear end, but nope. He's already got this other custom here. There's a few chrome pieces here and there. Got some spinners left. 1, 2, 3. There's the baby moons. Some more wheel pieces. Probably custom trim piece there. There's the custom hood. Does that fit on there pretty good? Yeah. I think that's a license tag there. Yeah, I got a pencil. Oh, let's see here. Ooh, look at these wheels. Oh, got the oil pan stuck to it. Wheels look like they're in pretty decent shape here. I don't know if that fits on. Yeah, they would fit there pretty good. All right, there's probably the original rear part. There's the engine. I've never seen a gold engine. Here it is. Brace of, okay, a little piece of sandpaper. Probably came in the kit. Oh, wow, here's another hood. So there's a difference. Let's put these two together here. You can see the difference. The 2 hoods. That one has some glue on the top there. Does that fit with the? Yeah, it still fits with the custom thing there. So, but if you wanted to paint it, there's a. Gotta get that piece of chrome out of there. There's the back. Okay, that doesn't fit that. it's just pieces and parts here. I'm gonna dump that out. It's like the top of a glue. Some other clear tree that's not there. Okay. What is this? It's an odd piece of plastic there. Okay. That's in our trash. That's more trash. There's another part of a grill. Is that is an option for this? Okay, so that's another option for the custom grill. That original one right there has like kind of a diamond plate there to it. So we got a bumper. Don't know if it's a rear bumper or not. Right. I wonder if these little louvers fit back here. Yeah, they kind of sort of fit back there. Two of those. It's like two carburetors. Some more custom wheels. So we got 4 sets of wheels for this. And there's your more engine parts, more headlight stuff. Let's see what's on this. Okay. All right, there you had it. I see one pair of headlights. I don't see another. There's a glass for something there. Maybe that's the glass for the original lights or something. Hard to tell. Don't have the instructions for it. There's a bumper guard, looks like. So got a couple extra parts here. A couple of odds and ends pieces of trash. Oh, but there you have it. Don't know if this is something I'm going to put together or not later on. I know there have been partial kits I've put together. And a few of y'all have asked about these kits being, are they going to be up for sale? I'll say eventually, probably yes. There's some friends of mine that are interested in some of these kits, so the local people are going to get it first crack at it, and then I'll probably put them on eBay. So I'll definitely let y'all know if and when that happens, so y'all have a chance to bid on some of these unbuilt kits or partially built kits that we have here. But thanks for watching. I said make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the page if you haven't already. And thanks for joining me.